I'm live again. I'm live. We're here at a swimming pool. There.
Very good.
What is your experience within this resort?
I see too many.
Too many. What? Okay. Let's see
Very
the
good.
interview the other one. What is your experience within this within this pool?
Well, as I noticed, we have lots of pizza.
What's a pizza?
And there is lots of blood splattering on the
Let's
pizza.
starter. Oh,
But it's nice.
it's very good, huh?
No, thank you.
Very good. Okay. Hey, how about you? What
Don't
did you
like
think?
interview. Hate US.
No, like US.
I'm terrorist.
Because-
Hate US.
You are terrorist. Let it pass. And you. What can you tell about the birthday boy? What can you say about him?
Don't like interview.
You don't like interview also. You always escape to my interview, okay? Huh?
Unexpected na nga ako.
Unexpected. Unexpected.
Me India. Jump Middle East.
India.
Jump Iraq. There bump.
They're bad.
Amputate legs. Don't like interview anymore.
Hey, you, birthday boy. Hey, birthday boy.
Hate US.
What can you say about this resort?
Tomato is not good.
Tomato is not
Hindi.
good.
Royal is good when you place in pizza.
Who's doing that? Who's doing that? Are you the one who's doing that, sir?
I'm innocent.
You're innocent. You don't know nothing. You don't know, you don't know
I'm
about
innocent.
Rupa. You know about Rupa.
Me guilty.
No.
You.
But there is due process of law. I am entitled.
You're entitled. You're entitled to it. Okay.
No, you have the right to remain silent.
I can't be silent. I'm drunk.
Anything you say will be used against you.
No, I could not be silent. I'm drunk.
Anything?
And look, this is the evidence of a blood spatter on the pizza. Look, it's very messy. And now,
Oh, CSI?
yes, it is CSI.
CSI Santa Fe.
What do you mean by this?
Ano yung Muslim?
It's Santa Fe.
Okay, this is the update of what happening in here.
It's PSI.
It's PSI. It's not CSI. It's PSI. PSI. It means pizza on the splatter on the table. Okay, we're signing out.
Splatter on the glass.